In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a simple trellis to help your cucumbers climb and give you more space in your raised beds. Welcome back to Growing Frugal. I'm Susan, and if you've not been here before, on this channel we're all about learning how to grow food, how to cook with that food, how to prepare and store what you grow and save a bit of money along the way. And today I'm going to show you how I've rigged up a trellis for my cucumber using some bits of wood, some very simple DIY and some string. And the reason for doing that is that if you can grow any crops vertically, it really does save space in the garden. So if you've got just a little kitchen garden like me, this allows you to grow some more crops and also makes harvesting things like cucumbers much easier. So let's see how I got this thing rigged up, and at the end I'll also share a tip about how I'm going to take advantage of the fact that I'm going to have cucumbers growing upwards to get another crop into the raised beds. So let's do it. So that's my cucumbers all planted up. Hopefully these will survive the slugs. We're forecast rain tomorrow, so it's not the best timing. But these cucumbers were desperate to go out, so I've got them out now and they're already beginning to climb up their strings. So what I'm going to do is take advantage of this space to plant 3 of my lettuce seedlings out. Now in the summer, lettuce find it really difficult and they can go to seed really quickly because they don't like being in full sun. So as these cucumbers hopefully will grow up the strings and become quite bushy, my lettuce seedlings will go in here, they'll get a bit of shade and we'll get even more crops out of the raised bed this year. So that's my latest trellis for growing cucumbers vertically. I hope you're doing something interesting in your garden and I look forward to seeing you next time.